Hello everyone, this is Beverly Black, and today we're going to make some homemade pimento cheese. I would like to say welcome to everyone to this channel. I'm glad you stopped by today. This will be a good snack with some crackers or either to make a sandwich, and it's really easy and simple to make. This is homemade pimento cheese, and what you will need is 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese, 1 cup of sharp SHARP cheese, 3 tablespoons of diced pimentos, a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. There you go. Okay. Two teaspoons of shredded onions. And 8 ounces, a small pack of cream cheese. Okay. Make sure you put it in a nice size bowl to mix it all up together. And a 1/4 teaspoon of this is salt and pepper mixed like together, or seasoned salt, whatever you want to use. You will add kosher salt to taste at the end, and black pepper or fresh black pepper to taste. So let's mix it all. Use a hand mixer, and we're gonna mix this all together. Mix it well together. Okay. Get a little spoon and taste it. That's good. Now I'm gonna put a little pepper in it. And a little bit of kosher salt. I'm not gonna put much. Now I'm gonna mix that up. Here is the finished product, homemade pimento cheese. Enjoy. The recipe will be in the description box. This is so simple and easy to make. So give it a try. Thank you everyone for stopping by today. Be blessed and favored.
Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle.